Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to get all badges in Roblox Ability Wars. So this is going to be the 2024 method. Now before we begin, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. So most badges are obtained by killing other players using certain abilities, completing challenges, or finding secrets around the game. Some badges can obtain in private servers such as Astral Realm and Cake, but you cannot obtain badges like Operator or 100 in private servers. So this should be kept in mind, and you should be simply killing other players. And yeah, so these are some of the methods discussed. You can also head over to Astral Realm or Cake to obtain some of the badges. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, or if you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave us that in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, trying to fix up the issue that you're facing. So yeah, stay tuned and see you guys around in the next video.